A very good morning to all of you students. I hope all of you are good at your places. Students, in our previous class, we have discussed some questions of our assignment 2.14. Now in this class, students, I will discuss the remaining portions of assignment 2.14. Okay. So students, now we discuss the question number 5th. That is, see, each box of apple weighs 4.5 kg. Each box of apple weighs 4.5 kg and there are 23 boxes in a carton. There are 23 boxes in a carton. Okay, like see, this is a carton. This is a carton. Okay, and there are total 23 boxes. There are 23 boxes. Okay, there are 23 boxes in carton. Okay, and each box of apple weighs 4.5 kg. That means this box contains 4.5 kg. This box contains 4.5 kg. Similarly, all the 23 boxes will contain 4.3 kg each. Okay, then how much kilogram would a carton of apple weigh? So I have to find out the total weight of the carton. See students, there are 23 boxes and weight of one box is 4.5. See, weight of one box is equals to 4.5 kg. It is given in the question. Okay. Total number of box in a carton is equals to 23. Okay. So total weight of carton. So total weight of carton is equals to, just multiply these two numbers. Okay, so 23 into 4.5. Okay, so to just multiply them, students, we can write it as 23 into 45 by 10. Okay, now do one thing, students, just multiply 23 and 45. So 45 and multiply by 23. See, 5 3s are 15, 1. 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 12 and 10 is 22 and 23, 2, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So it is 1035 and in denominator we have 10. That means I have to put decimal before one digit. So it will be 103.5 kg. Okay. So total weight of carton is 103.5 kg. Okay. Now moving forward to question number 6, students. See, in question number 6, how many 25 paisa coins? How many 25 paisa coin are there in rupees 125? I have to find the number of quantities. See, students, in our previous class, we have discussed the formula of numbers. Number of coin is equals to total amount upon amount of one coin. Okay, but students, in previous classes I have already discussed with you that the unit should be same. See, this is 25 paisa and this is in rupees. So do one thing, students, just convert 25 paisa into rupees. 25 paisa is equals to convert it into rupees, I have to divide it by 100. Okay, so 25 upon 100, this is in rupees now. Okay, so 25 is a 25 4s are 100. So that means 25 paisa is equals to 1 by 4 rupees. So total amount is 125. Amount of one coin is 25 paisa and 25 paisa is equals to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 here. This is 4 is in division. When it goes upward, it will be in multiplication. So 125 multiplied by 4, students. So it will be 500. So total 500 coins. So total 500 coins of 25 paisa will make 125 rupees. Now moving forward to our next question, students. Question number 7. See, a cycle covers a distance of 100 centimeter in one pedal. In one pedal, cycle cover a distance of 100 centimeter. how many pedals are required to cover a distance of 5.25 kilometer? Similarly, students, like as we discussed in our previous question also, we have to find the number of quantities. And when we have to find the number of quantities, the formula is given to you. See, the number of pedals required is equals to total distance upon distance travel in one pedal. Total distance upon distance travel in one pedal. Okay, students. So total distance is 5.25 kilometer, but the distance travel in one pedal is 100 centimeters. See, to find the number of pedals, we have to just make sure one thing, that the unit should be same. See, this is in centimeter, this is in kilometer. Now do one thing, students. Convert this into centimeter. Okay. See, 5.25. Students, it is in kilometer. I can write it like this: 525 upon 100, because after decimal there are two digits. Okay. So students, if I just multiply it by 1000, now it will convert it into meter, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now this is in meter now, and now to convert meter into centimeter, I have to multiply it by 100. So now it is in centimeter. Okay, 100 cancel out with this 100. So the total distance is 525 and 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay. Similarly, distance travel in one pedal is 100 centimeter. So 100, 0, 0 cancel out. So it is 5250. So the total number of pedals is 5250. Okay. Now moving forward to question number 8, students. I have rupees 3.50 rupees less than twice of what Ramesh have. That means the amount of money that I have depend on the amount of Ramesh have. Okay. So students, just remember one thing. See, Ramesh has 8.55 rupees. That means I have rupees 3.50 less than what twice of Ramesh have. See, Ramesh has how much rupees? He has rupees 8.55. Therefore, I have how much rupees, students? See, it will be twice of what, Ramesh? Twice of this. That means 2 into 8.55. But 3.50 less minus 3.50. Okay. So if I just solve them, students, see, it 8.55 upon 100. So see, double of 8.55. 8.55 multiplied by 2, students. Okay. So just write it like this: 855 upon 100. Okay. Students, if I just, okay, here also I can write it like this: 0 cancel out with this 0. Okay. Similarly, students, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Okay. Again, I can just cancel them out by 5. So 5 into 10. It can be written as 855. 855 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 3, 5. So 5 7s are 35. Now we have 5. So 5 ones are 5. That will be 171. That means 171 upon 10. 171 upon 10. That means 17.1. Okay. Similarly, 35 upon 10. That means 3.5. Now just do one thing. Just subtract these two numbers. Just subtract these two numbers. So students, it will be 17.1 minus 3.5. Okay. So students, it will be, see, 11, that will be 6. 6, so it will be 13.6, students. Okay. So I have rupees 13.6. Okay. So I hope all of you understand these two questions also. So students, only one question is left in the assignment, that is question number 9, that you have to practice yourself, okay, because it is a simple unitary based question, the question that we have discussed earlier. So with that question students, our assignment 2.14 is complete, and along with this assignment 2.14 our chapter 2 is also over, okay. So practice these questions. I will see you in your next class. Till then, just be safe students, be at home. Thank you.